Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is July 6th, 2021, and we're going to be planting a hybrid tea rose here today. Now this one here, I believe it's pronounced Ingrid Bergerman rose. And this gets beautiful red blooms on it. So we have our hole here already done. We took a part of the yard and got it all tilled up, and we were putting a rose garden in. So we mixed some of the Beyond Pea Professional Organics garden soil in with our existing soil. We also put in a bunch of compost, and we put in some Job's rose food, which I'll put a link down in the description for that. So we put some rocks in the bottom to help for drainage, and we're going to get this rose planted here. Now your soil pH should be about 5.5 to 7.0 for hybrid tea roses. We did check the soil out here, and it's about perfect for our roses. It's not too high, which is a good thing. Now hybrid tea roses are a grafted rose, so you want to make sure that in the wintertime you protect them and mulch them really good to help protect that graft. So we're just getting this rose watered here before we get it put in to make sure that our soil is nice and moist. I've been watering them, but we want to make sure that it's not dry.
Very windy and hot.
So it's really hot out today, and it's really windy. We're going to get this taken out of here. See the root systems on this. Now we're getting them roughed up so they don't keep growing in circular motion. And you can see there's a main root right there. That's your main root on your rose. The white roots are your feeder roots. So we're getting this set in the hole here. And we're going to fill in around it. We don't want to go over the pre-existing root ball. We want to stay right at the top of that line. So after we have it about halfway done, we go ahead and we add some water so that we can get our water down into it. And go around there. Now your roses need about 6 to 8 hours of light per day for full sun to get them to grow and bloom their best. And I am going to be removing the spent blossoms from that because that will help it to keep blooming faster. So we're waiting for the water level to go down here, and then we're going to be filling in around it. See here, we're filling in around it here. Patting it down to get out any air pockets. When we water it, that'll also help to get out more air pockets. So we're adding some more of the garden soil on top and putting down some more plant food for it.
Is that good enough?
That should be good for it. This garden soil is really nice. I got it on clearance, and you can check out my shopping trip on my channel. I got it for $1 a bag, and I wish I would have gotten more of it. They're sold out of it now, but it's really some nice stuff.
I have a little bit more for the rest of it.
We're just getting that mixed in there. So we're creating kind of like a little moat around it for when we water it, that it holds the water in for us. And we are going to be mulching this then. Hoping to get some mulch tomorrow.
Back here?
Yeah. Yes. Fill this up now. Yeah.
So all that water is going to drain down there. You can see it's soaked down there. So when we mulch these, I'll come back with another video and I'll show it to you. Now, I do have videos on my channel for how to plant the shrub roses, the Easy Elegance own root roses for shrub roses. And I do have videos on my channel for how to plant the knockout rose. So you can check those out on there. And if you're interested in what an own root rose is, I did do a video previously about those on my channel. Now we are shaking the dirt off of these leaves because the dirt is what can cause blights. And when we put our mulch down, it's going to help us a lot to prevent the splashing up of the soil. And we do take our tags off, because the tags can actually damage your stems of your trees, your roses, and all that stuff. So we just take the tags off and we hold on to them. Now, we do have an issue with Japanese beetles, so we make Japanese beetle traps. These are Japanese beetle traps that we make. Now this was empty this morning, and we have the bait in here for the Japanese beetles. I believe it's Spectracide makes it. I'll put a link down in the description for that. I do have a video on my channel, which I'll put a link down in the description for that, for how we do our Japanese beetle traps. This was empty this morning. And these things will just completely destroy your rose bushes and your other plants. So we hang these up to keep the Japanese beetles away from destroying them. So as this continues to grow, I'm going to come back with more video updates. I'm going to show it to you. I'm definitely going to show you when it blooms. It's an absolutely gorgeous rose when it's blooming. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!